Alright, and I just thought it would be fitting to start our tour outside. This is our front porch. Please excuse all the dead plants. I won't bring any plants inside for the winter because of our pets. So if it doesn't make it, it doesn't make it. Looks like you didn't make it. But how is my hibiscus still holding strong? She's so amazing. Looks like that tropical plant's not going to make it either. And we have some dollar store decorations up here, nothing too fancy. We did put up some string lights this year, which was really fun. I've never done string lights or anything like that before, so I had some icicles. Guess I should have came out here to see that this was down, but real life, I just decided to record. So I didn't really do too much out here. I put a little dollar store Christmas tree there. I really just got some stuff from the dollar store. Actually, this stuff I had already from the dollar store, and I just kind of repurposed it and put it out here. Did a little tinsel here just for fun. And then I did make this wreath. I got the wreath a few years ago from Walmart, and then I just put a bunch of different sprigs in there from the dollar store, and then some baubles from Target. I use those on my downstairs tree as well. So I guess you guys can just come on in with me. When you walk in, you have the living room, and this is my Christmas tree. But I love this tree. It's very glam. Has sentimental pieces throughout it. That is my first birthday ornament. I love tacos. It reminds me of my mom. One of my little teddy bear ornaments from when I was a kid. I found this ornament last year and I just thought it was beautiful. We just got this one for our new place together. Me and Ryan got that this year. But yeah, I love it. She's so pretty. Maybe so sad when I have to take her down. Got the fur tree skirt. Over here, I didn't do too much. I have my little 'Tis the Season basket with just a bunch of random Christmassy baubles and little sprigs and just Christmassy things, and then a Christmas candle. Didn't even turn them on. Sorry guys, ruining the ambiance. Here you go. Got that. Then we have my gnome that I got this year from my friend Kat, and I love him. Or her, I guess it's a her. Wait, no, has a beard. It is a boy, but he's a pink boy. But he's pink, and I love him so much that I'm like, can I get away with keeping him up till Valentine's Day? And then those are our new candles. They're actually battery operated, super cool. And then I guess just my couch has a few decorative pieces on it. And you'll also see that I did actually already take some of the red stuff down. This is after Christmas that I'm recording this, and I was just starting to get sick of the clutter. So this did have more red and Christmassy stuff, and there was a few more things on my side table, but for the most part you're getting the gist of it, and that way you get I'll show you those decorations upstairs and you get to see what I do with them next year. So yeah, you're just getting me for me at this point. I am scatterbrained and did not have a chance to record this before Christmas, but I definitely did not want to leave the holiday season without recording all of our beautiful decorations. I got this year with my mom on her birthday weekend, and it was a very special piece to me. I love it. It makes me super happy whenever I look at it. And then our table, which, sorry, these are a little wrinkly. I just washed them, but I learned how to make these little bows this year. Thought that was so cute. And then our little Santa salt and pepper shakers. Those are Ryan's. I thought they were really cute. And we have all of our Christmas cards up here. If there was just 2 more, it'd be so satisfying. And then, oh, I did just get these. These are new for our dish soap and hand soap. And I don't really think there's much other Christmas in here. Just this little All Is Bright. And then we make our way. Of course, we've got the Christmas aprons for Christmas baking. You come in here, and I also had more decorations in here. but I did take out some of the red. I just wanted to declutter a little bit. But here is how our dining room is looking. But yeah, here's the downstairs, and then I will go ahead on upstairs to show you the man cave. All right, and as you come up the stairs, you have the other Christmas tree right here. And this is the man cave tree. I went with more of like some more traditional, masculine reds and blues, Christmassy colors. He's got his beer ornament, an ornament of us. We got that this year. Just another really special tree. Also, I was mentioning I'd taken some stuff down. Here are the items that I had taken down already. Wasn't too much, just a couple things in like the kitchen, like our creamer thing, sugar cup, little ornaments here. That was in the dining room. These were in the living room. Oh, I actually just got this for Christmas this year. And I'm really excited. I don't have any like advent countdown calendar type of decorations, so that's super cute. Excited to decorate with that for next year. And then other than that, we just have a little door hang. And then, sorry, excuse his mess, but he's got two little trees right here, and that says let it snow. And then the last touches are just these 3 trees and a massive bauble we put over there, and then tiny little stockings. But yeah, this is the man cave, so I don't really try making it overly tidy, so no hate. What guy has a super clean man cave anyway, right? And my pillow, I love it. It's drink up Grinches, it's Christmas. But other than that, we don't have much. Sorry, some random stuff on the floor. I don't have much decorations in my room. I just have a Christmas bow I put in my room. And then the only touches we have in here are a little gold tree and a all you need is love and Christmas cookies little knick-knack. So I kept it pretty simple up here. So I really hope you enjoyed going through my Christmas decorations. I really enjoyed showing them. I love decorating. Of course, if you already know, I have so much, but I would love to one day maybe decorate my bedroom even a little more. It'd be really cool to have maybe some Christmas pillows in there and all that, but well, baby steps, baby steps. I already know I'm so blessed and have so many decorations, so the real thing is I just try to only get 1 or 2 things a year and then build a collection as I go. But I am so happy that I got to record this before the season was over, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.